On the 11th of June, Rachel Reeves will deliver her first multi-year spending review settlement as Chancellor. Rachel Reeves risks threatening rare nature and wildlife on the UK's overseas territories by axing a vital fund, environmentalists have warned. The UK government previously committed £10 million to the Darwin Plus scheme, which conserves nature in places like the Falkland Islands and South Georgia, each year. But the RSPB said this has now been suspended and the spending review next month will determine if it continues. Sources have reportedly told the group it may not continue, which has sparked huge concern among Green groups and MPs. Andrew Rosendale MP, Shadow Minister for the British Overseas Territories, said, "As someone who has long championed our British Overseas Territories in Parliament, I am deeply dismayed to hear that Rachel Reeves may axe the Darwin Plus scheme. This programme has been essential in protecting the unique environments and wildlife of the territories, home to the vast majority of the UK's biodiversity. Its removal not only threatens vital conservation work, but also sends a troubling signal that these important parts of the British family are being neglected by this government. I would urge the Chancellor to reconsider this decision and reflect on the magnitude of her proposal. At least 32,216 native species have been recorded across the territories," the RSPB said. This represents about 90% of all British biodiversity, but the true figure is likely to exceed 100,000. Katie Jo Luxton, Director of Conservation at the RSPB, said, "In overall terms, the amounts we are talking about are small, but what they deliver for nature, local tourism and jobs in these far-flung British outposts cannot be underestimated. They build resilience to climate change, with healthy mangroves and coral reefs providing cost-effective ways to limit the impact of increasingly ferocious tropical storms."
Cuando tú no estás conmigo, ¿cómo gritarle a los vientos que me perteneces, que te necesito? ¿Cómo explicar la alegría cuando tú estás a mi lado? Yo sé que no hay en el mundo un amor más grande como el que me has dado. Te amo, amor, te amo, por siempre 1000 veces te amo. Y aunque no creo merecerte, doy gracias al cielo de haberte encontrado. Te amo, amor, te amo, por siempre 1000 veces te amo. Que Dios bendiga tus ojos, tu cara bonita, tu amor, tus encantos.